Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming device readiness and opening accessibility. First, verify your Samsung model and Android version so options match. Then make sure battery is above 20% and screen lock won't interrupt. Once done, open Settings and tap Accessibility. This moves you into the right menu. Make sure to stay on the accessibility page. Do not navigate away, because the next steps require those options to appear. Now you're ready to locate the Assistive Touch or interaction controls. You're now in Interaction and Dexterity where Assistive Touch lives. Tap that entry, find the Assistive Touch toggle, and switch it on. The system asks for permissions. Accept the overlays and input controls so the feature can run. Once enabled, adjust the floating button position and customize the menu. Add shortcuts you use most, set opacity for visibility, and tweak touch sensitivity. This customization saves time. Make sure to test the floating button now so you know the layout before moving to final adjustments. Finish by testing gestures and shortcuts to confirm they behave as expected. Adjust and save the layout once satisfied. If the floating button doesn't appear, toggle Assistive Touch off and on, then restart the phone. This resolves most display glitches. If problems persist, go to Settings Apps, find System UI or Accessibility Service, revoke and regrant overlay permissions, and try again. These steps fix common permission or service conflicts. Now you can use Assistive Touch to simplify navigation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.